Okay, you have two options on Luno. You have the buy option, which is the one that I'm circling over here with the mouse. As you can see, it is in a green color. You also have the sell option, which is the one that I'm circling over here with the mouse, as you can see, and it is in a gray color. These two options are used for different reasons. If you want to buy, you come over here and you have three types of orders. And the first one, it is the limit order, which is the one that you have full control over, and you can sell at a specific price that you want to sell your order at, or you want to buy your order at. Here is where you put the price. You can click on the price that you want to buy it to simply fill it in on the price space. After that, you will have to put the amount that you want to buy. You put it over here in the space, and this is the ZAR wallet, which is the amount of money you have in your crypto wallet. The fee is the price or the fee that is deducted by the market out of your order, and it is determined by the buy total. It is only taken out if you're making an immediate order. The buy total is the amount of coins that you're buying. You press buy afterwards. The market order is set at the best available price in the market, so your order is gonna go in at the best available price. You put the amount here, you mix it out if you want to use all your money in your wallet to buy for that order. This is our wallet again, and the fee is going to be applied if you're making an immediate order. This is the buy total, then you press buy again. The stop limit has the stop price, which is the trigger price. It is the one that triggers your order to go in the market if the market has reached that price. 1580, for example, is going to be the top price that you will set, and then you're going to sell it and you're going to buy it at 1570. In the case where you want to buy, for example, 10 LTC at the set price above, this is the amount of money that's going to be charged out of your ZAR wallet, which is the amount of money, the total amount of money you have in your Luno platform or in your Luno app. After making all those changes, you press buy for your order to go through. So for the sell option over here, let me hop over to the limit and clear this out quickly. 10 out. You have the limit, the market, and the stop limit. It is the same thing as the ones that we explained in the buy option. The only difference is that you are selling this time and not buying. And that is how you sell and buy crypto on Luno. Thank you.